What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
So, I got a comment the other day right here. Bam, if you guys want to read that. Pretty much, what's the length of a pull cord rope? It was on one of my videos where I was working on the power rake. And if you guys are just here for the short answer, straight up, for a lawnmower, snowblower, anything where the cord goes up to the handle, you're looking at 235 centimeters length in rope, 7 foot 8 inches. I'm also gonna do a test just to show you a quick trick so you don't have to bust out the tape measure every time, you know what I mean? Especially because if you're a man, you know about 8 inches. So I'm gonna show you a trick, you know what I'm saying? So if it's just a regular old engine and you're doing it, you're looking at 106 centimeters. That's about 3.5 feet. So, but there's a good, easy, quick tip you guys can do. And it's just when you take your rope, all you got to do, this is what I do. This is what I was taught.
90% of the time, I have no idea what the fuck I'm talking about.
You go to your nipple here, your left nipple, and then you go to the end of your hand. All the way to the end of your hand. Right there. Normally, if you're doing a snowblower or lawnmower, you'll double that up. But then, straight up right here, that is enough rope to start a regular old engine. So if you're doing a lawnmower or snowblower, you go over, you grab it, you do it one more time, and if you have a little bit of extra, you can cut off the extra. But that's how you do your pull cord rope. That's a quick tip I was told. But if you guys, again, if you guys wanted it, lawnmower, snowblowers, anything where the handle goes up 235 centimeters or 7 feet 8 inches. This is what I found on Aaron's and Briggs & Stratton websites. 106 centimeters for regular engines or 3.5 feet. So I appreciate you guys. If you guys like this quick tip, you guys like more like quick tips like this, let me know down by commenting or hitting that like button. Shows me you guys like this stuff. Also, I got a phone call. Hey. Also, if you guys want, just hit that subscribe button. Turn on that bell. I'll post more quick tips for you guys in the future. But right off the bat, ladies and gentlemen, I appreciate you guys so much for being here. Also, don't forget to check out this playlist if you need to fix a generator, and this playlist if you need to fix a lawnmower.